Welcome to the project demonstration of solar based uniform for soldiers. So here we are using the cooling and heating using this Peltier plates. So the outside generally heating purpose and inside, so this Peltier plate will provide us a cooling system at the neck of the back side of the body to the person. So based on the temperature of the body, so the system will control this relay. So inside this we are using the microcontroller along with the relay. Here we can set the temperature also based on your temperature setting value. If the outside temperature is more than your temperature, then automatically the particular relay will get switched on to cool down the temperature, and when it is reaches below that, automatically the relay will get switched off. So the so-called status of this relay can be seen from this LED indication, and there we can see the three buttons. So one is a set, yeah, right, this one is a set, and we can increase the set limit and we can decrease the set limit when we switch on the gauge. So the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volts 2600 milliampere lithium ion battery, which is rechargeable. So in order to recharge this battery, we are going to making use of this charging circuits along with the solar panel. So if you want to charge a battery with solar panel, we need to connect the S at this T or S slots. So whenever there is no sunlight is available to charge this battery, just disconnect this solar panel and connect the transformer. This is our secondary source of charger. Just connect the transformer over here and on the power supply to this transformer plug. Then the system will charge the battery, and the charging time for this one at least of 4 hours. And after the 4 hours, you need to off the circuits, as we need to protect the battery from overcharging protection purpose. Just disconnect the battery from the charging circuits, and while we are demonstrating of the final product, we should connect the solar panel and next to this one. So coming to this charging circuit, as it has the rectification, as we need to convert the AC to DC when we are providing the AC input from the transformer, but when we providing the DC input from this solar panel, these 4 diodes will act as a polarity correctors. Means if we connect this in reverse direction, then the polarity may change, so that the battery may get damaged if you don't place these diodes. So when we place these diodes will correct the polarity. Input and output is going to be plus to plus, minus to minus. So it will take same 4 to 5 hours to be fully charged with the help of a solar panel or a transformer. And this was thermistor temperature sensor, continuously measure the temperature of the surroundings of the steel plated body, and that will be displayed on this 7-segment display continuously. And the main execution of the project is like this. Just on this, yeah, right. So we need to on the kit. Let us check how much of temperature we have set. The low temperature. So when we go on the kit, already the fan got switched on, and let us set. So as we set the temperature of 32 degrees centigrade, it's a maximum. When it is above that, automatically the cooling will get switched on. So I'm going to increase the temperature. So decrease Now let us see. So if I set the temperature below the room temperature 31.5 around degrees, so it is plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade, it will operate. So you can see that. Right now the system got switched on the cooling. You can sense the cooling also on this side. So we can sense the cooling. So if we place this temperature sensor over here, we can see the temperature is coming down. Right, you can see that it is rapidly coming down to the set temperature. And when we increase that set temperature, sorry, there is a increment button. Right, again automatically it will be off. Okay, so whenever if we set the temperature of 29 degrees centigrade, then till the body temperature inside this uniform decreases to nearby 20 degrees centigrade, then automatically the relay will get switched off to stop the cooling inside that. And the fan is continuously on. We should make this on, otherwise the Peltier plate may get damaged. At the main Peltier effect is like which will transfer the heat from one surface to the other surface. So when we cool down this heating side temperature, then only the cooling side temperature will rapidly decreasing. Otherwise, so the cooling side also will may get heat up. So parallelly the Peltier plate may get damaged. So before demonstration, we should keep the battery under full charge. It's very important, and then you can demonstrate this project.